Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. In this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, yes, Saturday, January the 9th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku I will solve will be number 2141. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me guess, 25? Maybe? I do not know. Let me check. We have here 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 4 is equal to 25. Correct. Again, 25. And will be this Sudoku a little bit more difficult than the previous one? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle a row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so on the row between the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So on the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in that box. There are 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Yes, 9 is missing. All right. We have a pair here. 6 and 8 in this column. 6 and 8 in the column next, the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 and 8 should be in these 2 boxes. 6 and 8. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 3 in the last row? 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The 7 goes in that box. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Then, how about those 2 boxes in the middle column? Those boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in that box. Here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. A 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? The 6 and the 1 are missing. 6 and a 1. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Then these 2 numbers in the last row for the numbers 8 and 9 are missing. The 8 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright. 1 number left in the second column for the number 4 is missing. All right, now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 9. Then 2 numbers left in the second row. For the numbers 3 and 5, the missing numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. How about those 2 numbers in the last column? 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 7. And the last 2 numbers, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes and there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? It's a 2-star Sudoku, and the previous one was a 1-star Sudoku. So I'm very, very pleased with my time. And I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. We have a binary left and a tectonic left. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.